In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move elements on Webflow 2025. We'll work inside a demo project so you can see exactly how to target the right elements and review their order before publishing. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer. Once the canvas loads, click the highlighted area on the page to bring focus to the main layout. This ensures Webflow knows which part of the page you want to work with. Next, open the Navigator and click Body. Selecting the body gives you a clear, top-level view of the entire page structure, so when you drill down into components, you're always aware of their parents and siblings. If the navigator isn't visible, use the left toolbar to toggle it on. With body selected, you'll see every section, div, and component in a clean hierarchy. Now, click the highlighted area that corresponds to your slider or section you plan to edit. Do this again if needed to fully expand the element inside the navigator. Expanding is helpful because it reveals all nested items, making it easier to select the exact piece you want to work with. Select Slide 1 in the navigator. You should see it highlighted both in the list and on the canvas. Click it again to confirm you're targeting the slide itself rather than a child element. This double confirmation helps avoid accidental edits to inner content, like headings or images. Switch to Slide 2 to inspect its content and placement. As you move through slides, you're essentially auditing the order and ensuring you've identified the correct elements to adjust. Click the highlighted parent above the slides to double-check you're working within the right slider component. Select Slide 4, then Slide 3, and watch the canvas update as each element becomes active. Moving through slides in this deliberate way helps you confirm structure before making any changes. A quick tip: when you're ready to adjust order or relocate an item, you can drag elements directly within the navigator to reposition them. The navigator is often the most precise place to move elements because you can clearly see their hierarchy. When everything looks correct, click Publish in the top right corner to push your updates to the staging domain. Wait for the confirmation, then view the published site to verify the result. Before you wrap up, preview the page at different breakpoints to ensure layout and spacing still look great across devices. And remember,